The Blackmagic has a histogram, and you can see a lot of the green. It got false colors on here. I can see all of that. We're rolling. I'm adding to your shot. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Taxi PNG, back at it again with another one. Today we got that boy Fab, man. I got a Blackmagic in my hands, you guys. I don't know how to use this, but it's his camera, of course. But he's teaching me today. He got me filming some little behind this. I'm filming behind the scenes for you guys, but he got me filming one of his reels that he's trying to do. So he wrote up this little monologue, right? And he wants to film it like a music video. So he's gonna be reading the monologue in multiple different areas, and we're gonna chop it up and put it all together as if it's a music video. So just stay tuned with us, you know, rock out, you know, and vibe. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have some fun. I'm learning how to use this thing, man. We're about to do it, we're about to make it happen. It's a whole lot of gas, and I love you guys. Yeehaw.
Alright, boom. So when you're working with the Blackmagic, right? It's a cinema camera, so everything is manual on it. So it's very important that you have one of these white balance sheets so that you're able to get the proper white balance while you're on set. And the camera makes it super easy. You basically just put this in front of the camera, press a button, and it sets the white balance automatically for you.
So with the Blackmagic, there is no auto white balance.
No.
Okay. So
nothing's auto.
Nothing's auto, no auto, nothing. Okay. Yeah, nothing. Everything's manual. But if you did want to like upgrade, but you would have to get like the focus wheel and stuff like that. Like, you know how they have some like auto focus, like the attachments and stuff like that.
There's like a focus sensor that you could like buy for it, and it's big as fuck. It goes like mounted on top of it. Yeah. And it'll like focus for you, but I've never tried it. So
okay.
I don't know if it's like that.
But I think that's also a good way to go too for like people who are really trying to get to the cinema and like film world, like nitty gritty, because if everything is manual, it forces you to learn.
Right.
You know what I mean? It forces you to learn so that when you do get auto, it's just like a superpower or an accessory, but it's not a necessity.
Right, of course. And then even with shooting manual, you notice that there's like natural moments where it's actually out of focus that it actually looks good.
Yeah, because it's natural. It's a natural,
and then there's a lot of focus racking as well. Yeah. Where it looks natural. Like sometimes you'll see like a music video where like you could tell it's shot on autofocus because randomly it will focus all the way out and then focus back in.
Yeah, and then you can tell, yeah. Versus when it's manual, it's like a physical human like putting it and being able to, And that's how a lot of movies are like that too. As well, they have a manual person to do that. Right. For sure. All right, show us how to do this.
Basically, hold it like right in front of the camera, and then there's a button on here that you press to auto white balance.
Did I hear you say the word auto? I just heard you say the word auto, fam.
Auto?
You just said auto white balance.
Oh yeah, but like you have to like press the button and then.
Oh, okay. I get what you're saying. Like it'll white balance it. I get what you're saying.
Yeah, and then move it a little bit down.
I feel like I'm about to like get turned in or some shit.
Alright, cool.
But I can move.
All right. And then so on the Blackmagics, right? When it comes to finding exposure, the best way to find exposure is to use the feature called false colors. Have you ever used false colors before?
Yeah, false colors.
So false colors is basically just the easiest way to get the right exposure. Right now it's looking pretty good.
Are you shooting in a log format, or are you shooting in log?
Okay, cool. Log, but I got a LUT on it. So
what log does Blackmagic have? I know we have C log, S log.
Its own log. It's like its own thing.
Is it like, what's it called though?
It's called Blackmagic Cinema.
Okay, so Blackmagic Cinema log.
Yeah, Blackmagic film.
Okay, film. Are there like different profiles of that one log? Or there's like a three? I mean, not like
so like a regular one.
Regular, yeah.
Extended video and then film. So extended video is like a mixture between the two.
Okay.
The regular and then the full out log.
Okay.
I always just keep it on log.
Okay, cool.
Stand here.
I like this because then it allows you to do a lot, especially like it allows, like when you're editing, it allows you to do a lot. Okay. Like it allows you to like, you know what I'm saying, and shit like that. So I like this.
Am I centered, or I feel like I'm a little bit to the left?
Now you are. You were centered before. Go back to your. Go this way. Right here. You're centered. You're centered. You're in the center.
I'll slide it a little bit this way because I'm gonna jump like right here.
So turn it this way. There we go. All right. That's the center.
Center. Cool.
You're in the right third.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna stand there.
Okay. Cool. All right, bet.
So first line.
Because depending on how like advanced you are too editing and shit, you could like frame yourself coming out of nowhere. Like, you know what I mean? Like you can mask out the tree and then like have yourself coming out of nowhere. Does that make sense? Like you walk into the like you know what I mean? Like you just like, because you can see both sides of the tree. You could just have yourself like just come out of the tree. Like for example, like, yeah, you could do that too. Or like, I was gonna say like, even when you're like coming in, like, cause if you come out like through here, it's like, okay, hear me out. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, like, cause the camera can see through here and shit. So it'll tell that like where the fuck you come from, cause you just come out of this, like if you masked it. But that's totally up to you. I just be having ideas and shit. You're gonna jump. Okay, I didn't know where you were going, cause I'm like, where's he at right now? Okay, hold on. Is it recording? I don't know what to press. I'm learning, remember? It said just the trigger. Okay, I'm learning, you guys, I'm learning. Boom. Okay, bet. It's recording. So the Blackmagic has a histogram, and you can see a lot of the green. It got false colors on here. I can see all of that. We're rolling.
Okay, hear me out. How's that?
So, what's after hear me out?
Oh, I do gotta send the next line, right?
Yeah, like say instead of, cause then you can mesh it into all the other ones.
Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams.
Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams. And like when you go to each scene, try to have like the same tone. So that way, like when you mesh all of it together, it's like, oh shit, like it looks like kind of, you know. All right, go ahead. All right, you guys, he's jumping.
Okay, hear me out, right? Let's talk dreams.
Your balls dropped, fam.
Damn.
One more go.
Yeah, hold on.
We're getting there, you guys. We're getting there. All right, ready? I'm about to press play. Rolling. I feel so cool saying rolling, you guys. I feel so cool saying rolling. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, hear me out, right? Let's talk dreams.
I like that. You wanna watch it back?
Yeah.
I don't know how to, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams. You could like add a fucking, like something that's gonna make you feel more comfortable talking. You're talking to a human, you're not talking to a camera. Okay? Remember that, you're talking to a human, not a camera. You're literally talking to like your cousin or some shit. That's what I need you to treat it like. You're talking to your cousin. You're talking to me. You're literally talking to me. That shit's hard. That shit's hard. I'm happy about that one. You look, your facial expression, everything said that you were like, oh, you know what I'm saying? We learning, y'all boys. Right? Yeah. That's more like personable. I like that one. What's your audio playing? Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? What? We all have them, right? What comes after that? Because you want to say the first line of the next line. Yeah. See, the thing with me is I'd have to just do it. Like when I think about doing some creative shit or having some fun or something, I gotta just do it. Like if I cause I'll sit at home and think about it and I get sad or depressed or some shit, cause like I'm not doing what I'm thinking about. But it's like I gotta just do it when I think about the shit.
Alright, boom. Scene 2. So this shot right here, we at the skate park. Basically just gonna get the second scene. There goes my boy Taxi, and then get the second scene of the shot. So there we go.
Let's make it happen, man. Let's make it fucking happen. What do you mostly shoot?
Right
do you
now,
shoot like every day or no?
Nah.
What do you mostly shoot?
Right now I'm shooting a lot of like social media campaign for companies, and then like not really music videos, but like music content.
I get what you're saying. Is green in focus?
Yeah.
Okay, so them rails are in focus and your shoes are in focus.
Okay, well, once I sit, I should be in focus.
And your knees are in focus.
Okay, yeah, I should be in focus. Second line. Okay, hear me out.
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. That would be hard.
It, man. Oh, I'm gonna sit, so I'm gonna have it right next to me.
Enjoy.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Bet.
Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Those wild thoughts that make our heart race and light a fire within.
All right, ready? And, oh, turn your audio on.
Yes, sir.
I'm rolling. I'm adding to your shot.
Okay, hear me out. Damn, I forgot the line.
You forgot the line? I'm erasing. Bro, I got some, my energy's leaving. All right, ready?
Hold on. Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? All right.
All right, so say let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? That itch and then that feeling. Remember that part.
Those wild thoughts.
We all have them, right? Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? The wild thought. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hear me out. We all have dreams.
Nope, that's not what you said. What the fuck
Let's
was
talk
that?
dreams. We all have them, right? All right,
Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? That wild thought, the wild thought, something like that.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hear me out. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Those wild thoughts.
I think that was it.
Yep.
It should add to your shock. People are like, what the fuck is he doing?
Yeah, let me see. One more time.
Watch it.
That's cool. Okay.
What's the next one?
Oh, I gotta go get the thing for my car. So I just want to be sitting down. Like I'll lay down right there, and then it's gonna be like a low angle shot of where I'm at, and you're just gonna see my feet swinging.
Okay, but let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Is your audio going? We gotta make sure his audio's rolling, cause if it ain't rolling, it ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna be a good shot. Shine.
Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right?
I'm not recording.
Oh no, I was like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
3, 2, and 1. Say the next part. Say it again. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? The wild thoughts. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? The wild thoughts of using a black magic at night.
Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Wild thoughts that get our head going.
That was it?
Let it roll one more time. We'll do it one more time.
All right, I'm gonna do it again. Start it over. 3, 2, 1. So many users switches to black magic. Now I was riding that bitch. I'm about to give it back. How to take a picture of someone jumping. Kiggity, 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 giggity, yeah. Giggity, giggity, goo. Where are you gonna lay it? Oh shit. Back to using the black magic, you guys. You look so fucking cute. All right, ready? 3, 2, go ahead. Oh yeah, turn your audio on. All right, ready? 3, 2, go. Those wild thoughts that have our heart racing and light a fire within. Yeah, you're not giving me a sweet feel. Your feet are just up. Like why are your feet up? If your feet aren't swinging, why are they up? Like do something with, or just lay them flat. Cause I'm just saying, like you look like you're on Fortnite. Yeah. Like your feet are just up. Like they're literally stuck there. I'm gonna start it over. Let me know you're ready. Hold on, I'm about to start it. Go ahead. Light a fire within. Those wild thoughts that what? Those wild thoughts that make our heart race and light a fire within. Let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Those wild thoughts that make our heart race and light a fire within. Talk to me, bro. I'm about to start it over. Make our heart race and light a fire within. I know your shit better than you. Come on. Those wild thoughts that make our heart race and light a fire within. I'm about to jump in your video. Ooh, I like that. One more. All right, ready? 3, 2, action. I kind of like the pauses. Like, let's talk dreams. We all have them, right? Those wild thoughts that make our heart race and light a fire within. Like, I kind of liked that. Like, it added a feel. All right, ready? 3, 2, and go. I like that. I like that one. All right, come watch it. Yeah, just inspiration. So move out of the frame. Move out of the frame so I can record a blank slate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, go ahead.
I don't think I want to look at the camera for this one. I think I might be
like spacing out on other shit. Okay, cool.
Oh, let me check it out though. Let me see how it looks.
That should be good. You did it a million times, so. They're meant to be chased, they're meant to be conquered. What's before that though, and what's after that? No, I'm saying words. Like what words do you say before that line, and what do you say after that line? A figment of our imagination. They're meant to be chased, they're meant to be conquered. And then say the line after that, and then, all right. They're meant to be chased, they're meant to be conquered. But dreams aren't meant to remain a figment of our imagination. They're meant to be chased, They're meant to be conquered. But dreams aren't meant to remain a figment of our imagination.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Do it again. Say it again.
So dreams.
Nope. See, but dreams aren't meant to remain a figment of our imagination. They're meant to be chased. They're meant to be conquered. Like, don't race yourself, like pace yourself. You know what I mean? It's your shit, don't race it. See, but dreams aren't meant to remain a figment of our imagination. Oh, okay. 3, 2, and go. One more time. I don't feel you at all. I don't feel you at all. I don't feel anything you're saying. See, but dreams aren't meant to remain a figment of our imagination. They're meant to be chased. They're meant to be conquered. Like, talk like your dreams are hurt, bro. Like, your dreams are bleeding right now. Like, you're talking for your dreams. One more time, and when you're doing your actions, you repeat the same action. Do a different one. Like you say, they're meant to be chased. They're meant to be, you do the same thing on the same side. So you look like a robot. Cause like, you're like, they're meant to be chased. They're meant to be conquered. Like, imagine you saying, they're meant to be chased. They're meant to be conquered. Like, you know what I'm saying? Do something different. If you do the same exact shit, you look weird. All right, ready? Hold on, I'm gonna start over. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. So you want the camera shooting up at you, or like?
No, like parallel, just at a low angle of me sitting.
Okay, cool. Upgrade the Glock with a laser rim muzzle. I can even do a video like that, like how to stop motion without a flash or some shit. Like you going up for a layup, I catch you in the air, like catching a picture of you in the air. Yeah, I was thinking about like a video idea. Like you go up to shoot and I catch you like mid shot or some shit. And just basically just letting them know like the reason that shutter needs to be so high and shit. Sure, there'll be obstacles along the way. All right, ready? 3, 2, and we're rolling. Is it only one line? Like not one line, it's just those words? Okay, go ahead. Cause you could even say it while you're down and then like, you know what I'm saying? On some shit. Like, they're meant like, what the fuck is your line?
Sure, there'll be obstacles along the way.
Like you could be like, sure there'll be obstacles along, what's the next line?
You might fail 1,000 times before you even see an ounce of success.
So like, sure there'll be obstacles along the way. You might fail, like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay,
like, sure there'll be obstacles along the way. You're guaranteed to fail or some shit like that. Like you could even like fucking say that like it's gonna happen. Like, cause you can't not have failure. Like sure there'll be obstacles along the way. You're guaranteed to fail at least 50% of the time or something, like whatever you're saying. You know what I'm saying? Like look at them, like, cause you haven't been looking at them the past 3 scenes. Now look at them like be like, bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? To where now they have to pay attention. I'm gonna start over. 3, 2, and go. Sure there'll be obstacles along the way. Sure there'll be obstacles along the way. And you think about it like, damn, let me look at y'all real quick. Oh, I like that. Just like that, just like that, just like that. That was an abrupt look, I like that. Before you even see 1 ounce of success. And the more and more you do this, you just get better at talking.
Yeah, no, facts. That's really my goal.
What angle do you want me at? You want me to come through you? Okay. There we go. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. One more time.
Nah, I look weird as shit. Nah, hold on. I'm gonna adjust a little.
How you want it?
No, same thing.
All right, bet. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? What's the next one? I don't know how to change the settings on this shit. Okay, the ND filter. Ah, that helped a lot. Are you actually shooting it? How do you want, hold on. I'm trying to see where you want it at. You want to be in it or not in it? All right, ready? Hold it, hold on. 3, 2, 1. All right, ready? Your audio on?
There's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it. I don't